Telus eSIM is an exciting option for international travelers, but before you make the switch, here are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for you. Stick around until the end, where we'll compare it with some other options and even suggest a solution you can try for free. First off, Telus eSIM is a digital SIM card that works with many modern smartphones. It allows you to skip the physical SIM card and easily switch carriers without swapping out your hardware. This is especially useful for international travelers who don't want to deal with the hassle of changing SIM cards every time they go to a new country. But how does it stack up against competitors like Airalo or GigSky? Let's dive into the details. Next thing to know, Telus eSIM offers both data-only plans and voice plus data plans, but the focus is mainly on data. This is great for most international travelers who want affordable internet access, but if you need regular voice calling, there are some limitations compared to other services. For voice services, you might want to look into providers like T-Mobile or AT&T, which offer better voice plan integration. The third thing is that Telus eSIM is available in a wide range of countries. It covers more than 130 destinations, which puts it ahead of some competitors. However, be aware that not all countries are supported, so check the availability for your specific destination beforehand. The fourth thing you should consider is Telus's pricing. Their plans are competitive, especially if you're traveling for short trips. But for long-term stays, the prices can add up quickly, and it might not be the most cost-effective option. Airalo, for example, has cheaper data packages for long-term stays. The fifth point, Telus offers flexible data plans with options ranging from as low as 100 MB to as high as 30 GB, so you can pick the plan that best suits your data needs. But remember, once your data runs out, the service is cut off, unlike some competitors that offer data rollover or add-ons. Next, let's talk about the activation process. With Telus eSIM, activation is straightforward if your device supports eSIM. You can usually complete it through the Telus app or website, but if you're unfamiliar with eSIMs, the process might be confusing at first. Some competitors have smoother, more intuitive setup processes. The seventh thing to know, one major plus of Telus eSIM is that there's no need for a physical SIM card, so you don't have to worry about losing your SIM or having to switch it out. But on the flip side, once you activate the eSIM, it's hard to undo, so make sure you're committed to the service. The eighth thing is that while Telus eSIM works in most modern smartphones, there are some older models or certain brands that aren't compatible with eSIM technology. Be sure to double-check compatibility before purchasing. The ninth point is the data speeds. Telus offers 4G LTE speeds, which are competitive for most international travel needs. However, if you're looking for 5G, you might need to go with another provider, as Telus doesn't currently offer 5G speeds on their eSIM for travel. The 10th thing is customer support. Telus has a good reputation for customer service, and their eSIM support is no different. However, keep in mind that their hours might be limited, especially if you're traveling across different time zones. Some other services like Airalo offer 24/7 support. The 11th thing to know is Telus's data usage tracking. Their app does a good job at letting you monitor how much data you've used so you can avoid any surprise overages. However, data tracking can sometimes be a little delayed, so don't rely on it if you're close to your data limit. Lastly, Telus eSIM isn't the cheapest option for everyone. If you're looking for budget-friendly solutions, especially for extended trips, it might not be the best option compared to services like GigSky or Airalo, which offer lower prices for larger data packages. To wrap it up, Telus eSIM is a solid option for international travel, especially for short trips with moderate data needs. But if you're looking for a more affordable option with greater flexibility, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. The choice is yours, but we've done the research so you don't have to.